Hello friends, Jyotirmay here from JD's Pixel World. Guess what? I just received another gear for my photography, and this is handheld grip for my DSLR mirrorless camera. So I'll just open and show it to you all. Hold on, where is the scissor? Okay, I got my scissor. Let's open this. Okay. What's in there? Here is the packet box, and this is the invoice they have shared with along with this. Let me show you. Here. See? This is the grip which I have got for my vlogging purpose, and I can attach my gears I can attach anything actually. I can even attach my GoPro, my FitSpot on which I am working using this for this particular video, and then my mirrorless or even mobile. So basically, hang on a second please. Here it is. I won't make it very tight, so see? Yeah, it's actually really comfortable. I was not expecting this. Really, seriously, it's really comfortable, and just suits my grip. So I think I am going to really enjoy this. Seriously, I'm loving this. This is my first grip which I have got exclusively for my mirrorless camera in USRP. Let me try to fix on that in that one. I won't use my lens on that. I'll just use the body. Let me see how it works out. Just so here is my sweetheart. I'll be using this for my blogging purpose. Let's see how it goes with this. Wow, this is so cool. Here, even if it is a heavy lens over here, I think it should not be an issue. In any case, I am going to use 50 mm, as I mentioned in my last video, like 50 mm, 100 mm, and I have another one which is 24 105, and that is the kitless for this. So it's really good. I'm loving it. So let's. Once I start my vlogging and go hit the road and all, I'll be using this, and I'll share those videos along with this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having this listed on Amazon. I have got it from there. So thank you all. Thanks, buddy. So that's it. So this is my unboxing for the hand grip. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.